Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the battery in a GMC Canyon key fob. First, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Begin by locating the emergency key release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button and gently pull out the emergency key. Now, look for a small notch or seam along the edge of the key fob casing, often near where the emergency key was housed. With the emergency key removed, insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver or the emergency key itself into that small notch. Apply gentle pressure and twist the tool to carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Once the halves begin to separate, carefully pull them apart. Be mindful of any small rubber seals that might come loose. Set them aside for reassembly. Now that the key fob is open, you will see the old coin cell battery resting in its compartment. Before removing it, take a moment to observe its orientation. Usually, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Use your small flathead screwdriver or even a fingernail to carefully lift and remove the old battery. Then, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. With the new battery securely in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, ensuring all edges match up. Gently press them together until you hear and feel them snap securely into place. If you removed an emergency key, slide it back into its designated slot. Finally, test your key fob by attempting to lock and unlock your vehicle's doors to confirm it is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.